So guys, now we are calculating our wage using Microsoft Excel. So in this context, this is our labor hour, this is our wage, and additionally we have normal wage 25 hour, per hour 25, overtime per hour 30, and normal labor hours 8 hour. So using IFS formula to calculate wage, press equal IFS. For IFS formula, logical test, if our labor hour 6 greater than normal labor hour 8, if 6 greater than 8, we will get normal labor hour into normal wage. Additionally, we will get some extra time which is subtracted labor hour from normal labor hour, and which will multiply with our overtime, comma. This was our first logical test. So if our labor hour 6 greater than our normal labor hour 8, we will get an extra time which is subtracted normal labor hour from labor hour, and which will multiply with our overtime. Now if our labor hour less than our normal labor hour, we will just get labor hour into normal wage. We will not get any extra time and any overtime. So bracket close, enter. Yes, this is our wage of labor hour 6 and employee name A. Now we have to freeze it. Press. Now fill the series. So this is our wage sheet, and this is our wage. Now we are calculating utility. So we have unit consumed, rate, VAT 15%, username, unit consumed. So we have a mistake here. 65 will be 75. So unit consumed, if unit greater than 60, if unit greater than 600, rate will be 12%. If greater than 400, rate will be 10%. If unit consumed greater than 200, rate will be 9%. And if unit consumed 70 or less than 70, the rate will be 7%. For calculating bill amount, we have to press equal IFS. For first logical test, if our 75 greater than equal 600, we will pay 12% rate on our unit consumed 75, comma, if 75 greater than equal 400, we will pay 10% on unit consumed. If our unit consumed 75 greater than equal 200, we will pay 9% on it. If our 75 greater than 200, we will pay 10% on it. If our 75 greater than 200, we will pay 9% on it. If our 75 greater than 200, we will pay 9% on it. If our 75 greater than 200, we will pay 10% on it. If our 75 greater than 200, we will pay 9% on it. If our 75 greater than 70 greater than equal 75, we will pay 7% on it. But if our unit consumed 75 less than 75, our rate will be 0. Bracket close, enter. This is our bill amount of ABC users. So bill amount, freeze it without our first sale or unit consumed. We will freeze remaining sales. Yes, this is our bill amount of our entire users. Now we are calculating payable on our bill amounts. So for calculating payable, we have to multiply bill amount with our tax rate. So equal our bill amount 525 multiply with 1 plus our tax rate is 15%. 1 plus our tax rate is 1 plus 1 plus our tax rate is 15%. Yes, this is our payable of on bill amount 525 and the username is ABC. Now we fill the series. Before fill the series, we have to freeze it. We freeze only B7 cells. Press enter and fill the series. Yes, this is our payable and this is our bill amount. Now we are calculating and if. This is our new client and this is our rating, and we will calculate bonus yet or not. So equal if and since there is two condition, that's why we have add and. So if our client 45 greater than 20 and our rating 10 greater than 5, if it is true, we will write yes, comma, if value is false, we will write no. Bracket close, press enter. Yes, now fill the series. Yes, this is our AND formula. Now we are going to calculate. Press sum if. Zoom out. Yes. So first of all, we have to calculate sum if for one criteria. So equal sum if range means our entire quantity, comma, criteria. Here one criteria criteria is olives, comma, sum range. Sorry, there was a problem, we had a mistake. So equal sum if range means our criteria range. Criteria is olives, that's why we select our entire product range, comma criteria is olives, comma sum range means our entire quantity range, bracket close, enter. Yes, this is our result. Now we are calculating sum ifs for two criteria. Equal sum ifs, sum range means our quantity sum of quantity range, comma criteria range 1, our criteria range 1, criteria 1 has olives, that's why our criteria range 1 will our product range, comma criteria 1, yes, select criteria 1, comma criteria 2 range, criteria 2 is our Spain, that's why we have to select entire country, comma criteria 2 select, press enter. Yes, this is our result. And now we are calculating average ifs. Equal average ifs equal average ifs, selecting the fourth one. Since there is two criteria, that's why we select average ifs. Average range of quantity range, comma average range of sum of quantity, average of quantities, comma criteria range 1 is entire product, comma criteria 1, comma criteria 2 countries, comma criteria 2 Spain, bracket close, enter. Yes, this is our average ifs. Now we have some wildcard samples in our order ID. So for this one we have to press equal sum ifs, sum range means quantity, sum of quantity range, comma criteria range 1 means products, comma criteria range 1 olives, comma sum criteria range 2. Criteria range 2 means our country names, but our country names has some wildcards, so we select entire, comma criteria 2 means Spain. Before putting criteria 2 we have to add some wildcard samples, then criteria 2 and close with this samples, bracket close, enter. Yes, this is our wildcard sums. So guys, this is how we can calculate ifs, sales commission using ifs formula in Microsoft Excel, tax ways, utility, and if sum ifs and wildcard sum ifs using Microsoft Excel. So I think this video will help you guys